How are you guys? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to our CAD room. Today's topic we will taking up our lesson number 2, which is getting started in AutoCAD. We have here 5 topics, which is a short discussion only in our lesson number 2. So let's start our lesson by starting the AutoCAD. Okay guys, our AutoCAD now is open. The next topic is how to create a new drawing tab or a new drawing template. So let us go here on the new icon and click, and we will select the standard template and open. Here we are. Okay, this is our new drawing area, our new drawing template. We can draw some object here. So I will teach you how to draw some object by using different commands on our later topics. So as for now, we will show only how to create a new drawing template. Okay, on step number 3, or the topic number 3, is how to open an existing drawing if you have. Okay, we will go here and click open. Okay, for me, I have an existing drawing here. We can select it for as a sample. Here we go. You can see our existing drawing. This drawing, I have done this around 2007 when I have employed in a naval architecture. So this is my remembrance for what I have done. Okay, the next topic is how to save a drawing. So we can also click here, save, or Control S as usual in many softwares. Example, in our drawing created here, we can save this as sample only. Please note that our file extension in AutoCAD is DWG, and you have an option here to save your drawings on the lower version. These are also available. If you have might be the existing software of the other designer is lower than the version of your AutoCAD, you can save this on the lower model as like 2007, 2004, 2013. Okay, so let us save our drawing. And I have also tips on how to save your drawing automatically. So we can right click in our drawing area, right click your mouse, select the options, and here you can see the open and save tab. We can increment the percentage of our drawing right here. So in my settings, it is 100%. Remember, sometimes we have power interruption, so for safety reasons, we have to set this as automatic save. Then here, the file safety precautions, I adjust the automatic save in 2 minutes. Every time you draw, sometimes you forget to save, It's better to be safe. I set this to 2 minutes. You can also set this as 5 or 10 or every 20 minutes. But you can save this in the small interval only so that it is safe and convenient to retrieve your drawings. So apply, okay. And the final topic is how to exit in AutoCAD. So that is very simple. You can click here, the X button, and save, then exit in your AutoCAD. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like our topic and subscribe to our channel. Hope to see you on the next lesson number 3. God bless.